Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Grab yourself a sweet tea and come see where we've been to this time. If you love classic cars and local history, Mr. Kingston's Auto Exhibition at Kokomo's beautiful Seiberling Mansion is a must-see. This remarkable collection showcases vintage automobiles that helped shape America's love affair with the open road. From elegant luxury cars to early automotive innovations, each vehicle tells a story of craftsmanship, engineering, and a bygone era. Set against the stunning backdrop of the historic Seiberling Mansion, the exhibit offers a unique glimpse into the golden age of motoring right here in the heart of Kokomo, Indiana. Now, as we were looking and walking around, it began to sprinkle and then a little rain. So that is why some of these cars are covered. Pops got excited about this one because he was able to see the engine. Now those three cars back there I don't think were part of the show since they were in the parking lot and not on the lawn. These cars here were made by Elwood Haynes Company, who was an inventor here in Kokomo. Now, Pops did a lot of the filming of the cars, because halfway through looking, I ventured up to the porch. I heard a banjo and some talented singers performing, and I couldn't miss hearing someone playing the banjo. Let me know in them there comments if you've ever been here, or if there is something that we missed.